friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to update apps in MacBook. So if you are using MacBook Pro or MacBook Air M2 or M1 chip, the process are same. So now if you want to download an update of any app, so what you have to do, first of all, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon for more videos on MacBook and other Apple devices. So now first of all, what you have to do, just click on this launchpad, and when you click on this launchpad, here you will see App Store. Now go into App Store. Now when you go into the App Store, here you will see updates, and before it, here you will see 5. Okay, now click on it. It means that 5 apps are there which requires updates. Now if you want to update like this, I want to update this numbers. Okay, click on it. Now here you have to enter the your password and password here, Apple ID password here. So like this you can just update your all apps and any apps on the MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.